we're going to start with some subitizing. So let's start with these numbers. Call them out. How many? How many? How many? How many? How many? All right, now show me this many. How many is that? 5. Show me this many. How many? 3. Show me this many. How many? 4. Show me this many. How many? 1. Show me this many. How many? 2. All right, very good. So girls, we've been working on talking about how things are same and different, and we've been doing sorting. Well, now we are going to be talking about matching things that are the same. Okay, and so we were using some of these shapes to help us identify how things are the same. Okay, so we have, here are some shapes. Okay, do you know what those shapes are called? Yep, those are circles. All right, and what color is this? Yep, yellow. What color is this? Yep, red. Okay, so red and yellow circles. Okay, how are they the same? Well, they're the same because they're circles, right? But how are they different? They're different because they're different colors. Okay, so if I were to take some shapes and hold them up, are these exactly the same? They sure are, okay? But what about these? Are they the same? They sure are. But what if I have two shapes that are the same color and the same shape, but they're different, aren't they? You can see that they're different sizes. So we want to keep an eye on that. Well, then we talked about same amounts. Okay, so I have 2 cookies over here. And then I have 1 cookie over here. Are they the same? Well, no, they're not. Okay, they're not the same because there's 2 over here and there's 1 over here. So it's not the same amount, okay, or how many there are. Okay, what if I had this? Are they the same? Yes. Okay, so it's the same shapes, it's the same colors, and then it's the same amounts. How many are here? That's right, 2. And how many are here? That's right, 2. So 2 and 2 are the same. Okay, and so that leads us to our number writing practice and our activity to show what we know. All right, and so we're going to practice tracing the 1 and the 2 and the 3. And so this is a bit of a review day. So we're going to sing, come straight down and that is all. Come straight down and that is all. Come straight down and that is all. That's how we write number 1. Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. Curl around and slide to the right. That's how we write number 2. And then halfway around and around again. Halfway around and around again. Halfway around and around again. That's how we write number 3. And then you're going to take your pencil and draw and trace your numbers so that you're practicing writing them the correct way. And then down here, it says, draw a line to the same number of school buses. And so what you do is you go over here and you count the school buses. 1, 2. So now I'm going to look on this side for the school buses that have 2. So no, yes, let's see, 1, 2. So then you take your pencil and draw a line to connect that number. And then you move on to 3. And then you move on to 1. But then down below you have something else that you must do. It says count the buses. So it's just the buses that are down in this area right here. Okay, and then it says write the number in the cloud. So you count, and we did this together, 1, 2, 3, and then we wrote the number 3 in the cloud. Once you've done all of that with pencil, then you need to go back and color your school buses. Do you know what color school buses typically are? They're typically yellow. So I would like to see the school buses colored yellow. And that's it.